की khubor ka Batesi TV
ka umdi bashnyambat penjaslian Umrupa Premium Meghalaya.
Sophistication meets style. The stylish trendsetter Tata Curve SUV is in town. India's first coupe SUV is now in Shillong.
I wanna make up right now, see you whining, grinding, all on the floor like that.
Shisngi hadim bagi Samla Pule ke school ba North Eastern Hills University hak Jingïakren bagi khasi student union nehu union klepenlong de Jingïakih dak basha thangan u vice chancellor ke university professor Prabhashan Shukla mulakintu yek bedekmi benwengno nagabenta ke Jingïakih Samla Pule habakran bekelar pathai khubor professor Prabhashan Shukla lepen pau buloklo banyakendo eki hakano kono kapor namar bakami Jingïakren ke pelat banyakendo.
My appointment was done by President of India. My appointing authority. She can take any decision. Definitely, I will follow. Whatever the decision they are done are going to take by the President of India. Entertain the office of the President of India. I can apprise all the things to the Secretary, Education Government of India. Already apprised all. I cannot write. I don't have the power to directly even discuss or write anything. Surpassing the secretary or minister of government of India. I can write directly to the secretary government of India. Already. Immediately after going back, again going to call the students. Please come forward. Discuss the matter. Discussion is the only way to solve any kind of. There is no any other way. Come on the table. Discuss the matter under the norms, rules and the system. Because I am also bound with the rules and regulations. Always ready to discuss my student. My request to the student union, non-teaching union and also if the teaching unions are involved. Because directly I am not even getting anything, the teaching union is not. Kindly call of the agitation in the interest of the NEHU students. What will be the consequences if it is going to happen for a long time? Definitely the examination will be affected. So who will be the sufferer? So come on the table, ready to discuss the matter to find out the amicable solution under the system, rules and norms. And I always not only ready, I am also ready to go anywhere.